Dialogue with Nnamdi and Simon Ekpa. Bullet cannot stop the agitation of Biafra. Nwoko, the husband of Regina Daniel. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Not be smart, They say the man will be Nwoko, don't give am back to Nigeria government. However, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Very, very important. Thank you so much for my subscribers. As we have hit 2,000 subscribers, I appreciate. That means that our work and our voice is being heard by a lot of people. But most of you will still watch our video and who don't subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. Try to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you will be the first person to get them. Very, very important. Because remember, say not be all updates you get. You know, they show the one we go favor them for channel and other television. But for here, they bring you as it they happen and they tell you only but the truth. Okay, let's go and look into the Wenge news we will get for hand today. They say the man whether they call Nwoko, the husband of Regina Daniel. The man don't come outside though. No say him become sinners of recently. So he don't come outside. Don't say he don't talk with him colleague. Say the only thing we go solve this Biafra issue until the happen for Southeast. Now made a dialogue. Say bullet, no amount of bullet will stop it. Now only dialogue and people agree, say okay, they accept this as the only thing that will bring peace in Southeast. I will go ahead, go play the video, may you watch. Then we'll come back, continue. Stay tuned and watch the video.
Separatists, let me use the word to describe Ekpa, yes, and Boko Haram, and even the Judo group as well. We want dialogue. Dialogue is cheaper. Dialogue is respectful. Dialogue is accommodating. If America could talk to the Taliban in Afghanistan after so many years of fighting, if the British government could talk to the IRA in Northern Ireland after so many years of bloodletting, why can't we sit down and discuss with all these groups? And that means they are our brothers and sisters. They must, from the moon. You know, some of my colleagues said that they should bring back Simon Ekpa from Iceland. I said, no. If you think Simon Ekpa is the one making orders for sit at home in Southeast or encouraging the killings of people, then let's dialogue with him. It is meaningless to be asking the British, the Finnish government to bring him back to Nigeria to face trial. Let me tell you, even if you capture him, bring him here and prosecute him and put him in custody, 100,000 other Simon Ekpas will emerge. You know, by now we should also have come to the conclusion or the recognition that you don't kill ideas through the barrels of a gun. You can't. You know? So what is it that is instigating the resentment? What are they trying to achieve? So many years ago, I went to Bulak Town in the company of my late friend Ahmed Bulak, who was killed in Imo State last year or so. And in course of that trip, I decided to just take a drive to a very beautiful vicinity. I saw the mountains behind his house. On the way, I came across some people who said they were Boko Haram. They didn't allow me to continue, but they told me that that place was their territory. It is no longer part of Nigeria, that they've taken over. And but I spoke to them, and we conversed in a very civilized way. They didn't hurt me. But from talking to them, I realized that they were in charge of that area. They were in charge of everything, everything about taxes, everything about government in those areas. They were in charge. But how long are we going to continue to either raid them, kill them, or they kill us? Why don't we talk to them? The same solution that was that stopped the killings in England in the 70s and 80s between IRA and British government could be explored. Give them opportunities to be elected into National Assembly, for example, or to be elected into the state assemblies, where they can express themselves. They can begin to dialogue. They can begin to negotiate. We want a democratic system, so bring them on board. But most people are bent on buying arms, buying new warplanes, and bombing the hell out of those people as if they are not part of us. So we must understand the cost of war, the cost of fighting, the loss of lives, the loss of time, the huge amount of money spent in buying weapons to fight within ourselves, amongst ourselves. It is unnecessary.
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back. As you have watched this video by Nwoko. This is the truth about the whole thing, but Nigeria government are trying to skip this truth and refuse to do the needful, because the Southeast has become their target for a very long time. But one thing they forgot is that when you denying a child his right, when you grow up, that child will hurt you so much, and that child will definitely deal with you. So Nwoko is here with the truth and nothing but the truth. No amount of bullets will stop the agitation of Biafra. Dialogue now. Some people have said this dialogue now, and they are saying, you know, go dialogue because you are sucking oil and taking so many things from the people, and you think that is going to continue. I said something before, and I've been saying this thing in this platform for a very long time, that there is more dangerous people that you people never see and never heard of. Simon Ekpa, in own level, is still even low than those people that I'm telling you. Nnamdi have a civilian mind, but he's a man full of wisdom. Let me tell you something. When those people rise, oh my God, when they rise, the world will shake because of their doings. I'm telling you people the truth. You think that setting Southeast on fire and other state is in tranquility, but those people are coming to set every part of Nigeria on fire. It will happen very, very soon. Very soon, surely, shortly. It's very close. You people will say, how did we get here? Now you are still where you feeling comfortable to strategize how to keep oppressing the Southeast. The Biafrans, you still have the opportunity to do things right, because the danger follow it ahead is much. It's bigger than what you're thinking. Calling in the terrorists in Sahel and Boko Haram, ISIS, ISWAP, this one to help the soldiers to fight is a very big mistake that you people can ever done, because those people will die in Southeast. The people you are seeing in Biafra today, the soldiers that carries arm, are more deadly more than any other thing you can imagine of. I've said this in before, that a people with a flag, they are not afraid of you. They stand in your front and be singing, holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. They are singing, give them all we are saying, give us Biafra. And you raise a gun, AK-47 at them. They didn't even shake. You shoot one, he's dying, and said, Biafra must come before he die. They don't even run. You shoot them, they die. These same people carry gun. Do you think that your can make them fear? Your gun, they see your gun as a toy now, because they have what you have. Think. If you are a soldier, if you like, take my word. If you like, look for me. If you like, do anything. But if you are a soldier, and they are sending you to Southeast, my brother, my sister, whoever you be, write your way. Make a wish to wish your family, tell them whatever you want to tell them, because you will die there. You are going to meet a monsters, because those men have no joy. That the same people you are shooting in the street, they are the one you are going to meet now with arm. How do you think you can defeat them? Look at just a short period of years. You see what happened in Southeast. Do you know how many police has been burned down by your own government? This is genesis of all these people are doing, because most of them are said, okay, we are out of this struggle and we want to do our own government this way. You don't know them, they are our own government. This is the genesis of everything. But since we have refused to tell ourselves the truth and be beating around the bush, where we see ourselves is very dangerous. The Southeast governors refuse to listen to their people. You are a governor, you just have a name as a governor, because you are not ruling the people. The people have their own government. Okay, see this is at home, you people are crying. Why can't you stop this shit at home? Because the people are not with you. And you refuse to tell yourself the truth. If people know the kind of oath you go into with the Hausas, that when you become governor, you lose your sense. Somebody like Soludo. Share this video, very, very important. Share this video to them. They need to be hearing the truth, the gospel of the Most High. Share this video to them. Now here we'll see them today, and now here we'll end up for today. We will see you for the next update.